Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm painting Thomas from Zombicide Green Horde. Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. So this is Thomas from Zombicide Green Horde, and he is primed with Army Painter's Matte Black. And I start off with some Leather Brown, which is a Zombicide Black Plague paint. And this is also their War Paints Leather Brown, if you don't have that paint set. Now you might notice that there's a little bit of a lighter shade of gray on Thomas already. That's because I did a dry brush of matte black and some a Zombicide Invader paint. I think it was called Armor Gray, and I just mixed that in together with a little bit more black until I got a nice gray coating. And this is just to give it like a highlight for the colors touching in and all that. Yeah, and I want to do a little something different with this guy. Alright, so the leather brown is going to be used for his robe and not his cloak. I'm also going to use the leather brown to do his nice little haircut and that does like the ring of his head. And you know, I like painting with a primer as black because it kind of covers easily actually over, unless you're using a really light color, then it might not. Alright, now we're going to use some Monster Brown, which is from the Army Painter, and this is going to be for the top part of his robes. I wanted it to be a little lighter since it's more like in the light compared to the bottom part, so that's why I went with a different kind of brown here. And you do see a difference with it, so there's not much of the shirt to do, but it gives it a nice little contrast between the robe and his cape and all that. Alright, so Sir Thomas here, or Mr. Thomas, or whatever, Friar Thomas, has very pale skin in the artwork, so I decided to go with Corpse Pale, which is an Army Painter War Paints. And this is going to be for the hands, and the face, and the top of his head. The next paint is only found in the Zombicide Invader paint set, and it's called Armor Gray. It's just a little bit of a white with a touch of gray hint to it, and this is what I mixed into the black originally to do the dry brush, but this is just for like the shirt part of Mr. Thomas's ensemble. Alright, now we're going to use some troll claws, and this is just going to be for the rope that he has hanging off his belt, as well as the handle of the whatever you want to call that large sword, scimitar, thingy, cleaver. I don't know what you want to call that, but that's what it's going to be used for. Alright, now we're going to be using a paint from the Zombicide Black Plague paint set, which is Claymore Blade. And this is equivalent to Plate Mail Metal, which is a Mettalics color from the Army Painter. So you can use either one. And this is just for the blade part of his, like I said, sword or giant cleaver kind of thing. I'm going to be using some Invader shader, which is a very strong, a dark tone. So not a strong tone, because strong tone is more brown, dark tone is more dark, it's black. So I'm going to put this all over pretty much the whole miniature except for the skin parts. And you're going to see that it's going to do a nice job actually of bringing out those highlights I did at the beginning on the black. And it's just going to finish off this miniature really nicely. Alright, now we're going to use the flesh wash, like I was saying a while ago, on his face, and as well as that armor gray shirt, so just to give it a little dirty-isher look. Dirty-isher, my god, a more dirty look. And so this is for his hands as well. And then we're going to finish off the base with some Crypt Wraith. And it's a very dark green, but it's just enough to finish off this model, I find, and I don't even put anything else on the base. Didn't really require it. Anyways, that will be Thomas all painted up. You're going to see a picture of him at the end. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'm coming up with the very last one of the Zombicide Green Horde series coming up real soon. And I'll be moving on to other painting projects. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll find out when I make more videos. You can also join my Discord channel if you feel like voting on other things that I do. We can discuss things like video games, board games, and miniatures. That link is in the description. So have a good day, everybody, and get your miniatures to the table.